Analysis method. The word analytic is derived from the word analysis, which means breaking up or resolving a thing into its constituent elements. The original meaning of the word analysis is to unloose or to separate things that are together. In this method, we break up the unknown problem into simpler parts and then see how these can be recombined to find the solution. So we start with what is to be found out and then think of further steps or possibilities that may connect the unknown, build the known, and find out desired result. It is believed that all the highest intellectual performances of the mind is analysis. Therefore, analysis means breaking up. It leads to conclusion to hypothesis. It leads to unknown to known. It leads to abstract to concrete. Now, example, if a square plus b square equal to 7ab, prove that 2 log a plus b is equal to 2 log 3 plus log a plus log b. To prove this using analytic method, we have to begin from the unknown. Here the unknown is 2 log a plus b equal to 2 log 3 plus log a plus log b. Now 2 log a plus b is equal to 2 log 3 plus log a plus log b is true if log of a plus b whole square equal to log 3 square plus log a plus log b is true. That is, if log of a plus b whole square is equal to log 9 plus log ab is true. That is, if log of a plus b whole square equal to log of 9ab is true. If a plus b whole square is equal to 9ab is true. And a square plus b square equal to 7ab, which is known and true. Thus, if a square plus b square equal to 7ab, which proves that 2 log of a plus b is equal to 2 log 3 plus log a plus log b. Merits of analysis method. It develops the power of thinking and reasoning. It develops originality and creativity amongst the students. It helps in a clear understanding of subject because the student have to go through the whole process themselves. There is a least homework. Students' participation is maximum. In this method, students' participation is encouraged. It is a psychological method. No cramming is required in this method. Teaching by this method, teacher carries the class with him. It develops self-confidence and self-reliant in the pupil. Knowledge gained by this method is more solid and durable. It is based on heuristic method. Demerits of analysis method. It is time-consuming and lengthy method, so it is uneconomical. In fact, facts are not presented in a neat and systematic order. This method is not suitable for all the topics in mathematics. This does not find favor with all the students because below average students fail to follow this method. Every teacher cannot use this method successfully. So, this method is particularly suitable for teaching of arithmetic, algebra and geometry, as it analyzes the problem into subparts and various parts are reorganized and the already learned facts are used to connect the known with unknown. It puts more stress on reasoning, and development of power of reasoning is one of the major aims of teaching of mathematics. Synthesis method. In this method, we proceed from known to unknown. Synthetic is derived from the word synthesis. Synthesis is the complement of analysis. To synthesis is to combine the elements to produce something new. Actually, it is reverse of analytic method. In this method, we proceed from known to unknown. So, in it, we combine together a number of facts, perform certain mathematical operations, and arrive at a solution. This is, we start with the known data and connect it with the unknown part. It leads to hypothesis to conclusion. It leads to known to unknown. It leads to concrete to abstract. Example, if a square plus b square equal to 7ab, prove that 2 log of a plus b is equal to 2 log 3 plus log a plus log b. To prove this using synthesis method, we have to begin from the known. Here the known is a square plus b square equal to 7ab. Now adding 2ab on both sides, we have a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to 7ab plus 2ab. Now a plus b whole square is equal to 9ab. Taking log on both sides, we have log of a plus b whole square is equal to log of 9ab. Using formula of logarithm, we can get 2 log of a plus b equal to log of 9 plus log of ab. From that, we can write 2 log of a plus b equal to log of 3 square plus log of a plus log of b. From that, we can write 2 log of a plus b is equal to 2 log 3 plus log a plus log. Thus, if a square plus b square equal to 7ab, which proves that 2 log of a plus b is equal to 2 log 3 plus log a plus log b. Merits of synthesis method. It saves the time and labor. It is short method. It is a neat method in which we present the facts in a systematic way. It suits majority of the students. It can be applied to majority of topics in teaching of mathematics. It glorifies the memory of the child. Accuracy is developed by this method. Demerits of synthesis method. It is an unpsychological method. There is a scope for forgetting. It makes the students passive listeners and encourages cramming. In this method, confidence is generally lacking in the students. There is no scope of discovery. The recall of each step cannot be possible for every child. Now, the difference between analysis and synthesis method of teaching. Since analysis is a lengthy method, it needs the help of synthesis for the removal of doubts. Synthesis is the complement of the analysis method. Both the methods are interdependent. Analysis leads to synthesis and synthesis makes the purpose of analysis clear and complete. The teacher while teaching can be use analytic methods and can encourage the student to present them in the synthesis method. That is, analysis forms the beginning and synthesis follow-up work. Now try this.